Hello everyone. So when you upload a project onto GitHub from a Mac, you must have seen .dstore file uploaded along with it. So how can we remove that .dstore file from your Git repository if it's there onto a GitHub or if it's there onto your local system? So there are three ways. What are the three ways? Number one, if the folder is already there onto your local system, that is open the project into your terminal and write find.name dstore and /delete. This will delete .dstore files from your local system that is on the project folder that is there onto your machine. The second way is to include the .dstore file into a .gitignore file. To open the project into an IDE and in the gitignore section add .dstore and save the file. Once you have added .dstore in gitignore, then open the terminal and write git add .gitignore file, that we have to add the gitignore file to the version control or to the repository that we will be uploading. So once we have added .gitignore file to git, commit that through a message that is added a gitignore file to git. So this will enable other members to also see if something has been added. So once the commit has been made, we can push the changes to GitHub if you want. And the third way is if the project is already there on GitHub, so we will add the command git remove cached.dstore. So if the dstore files are there, then it will be removed from your Git repository if it's already there on GitHub. If it's not there, then it will not do anything. It will show you an error that dstore is not found. So if it's found, then it will remove, and once you are done, to commit through a message removed .dstore file from GitHub, and once you have committed, you can push the changes to Git.